Hello everyone, and it's Ryan for a Crash Royale video. And it's the clan chest I mean. So I'm doing this clan chest, so I wish we could at least do on tier 1 clan chest. I'm doing this at the early 10 and trying to see this deck. This deck is just a heavy deck. This is my worst deck. Now I will show you my deck that I will give to my friend because he is kind of bad at Clash Royale, so I'm card juggler. Okay, Valkyrie, boom boom. You use witch, I use witch. Archer. Okay, that minion will die. I know because of witch versus witch. That witch will die. I know because I am the witch. I'm just kidding. I'm the worst timing of the musketeer, the archer, and the witch. Go, go skeleton, go. This deck really bad. It's bad. My main deck is Furnace deck and it's OP. Really, Furnace deck OP. I only lost one battle with that Furnace deck and I played that for 6 battles and one lose. One lost. Really, so you could try using my deck. But my friends can because he's in Arena 4, so he don't have Furnace, which is the main Furnace and Prince. He don't have Furnace and Prince because but he at least have Hawk Rider, so I made the deck for him. But it's really different because there's only one. Okay, that Barbarian will go down. Bye bye. Okay, no, okay. Boo! Oh my god, I'm lagging. No lags. Okay, phew. I thought I freaking got a lag that will destroy this world. Okay. Okay, Archer, 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 Archer. Okay. Witch, double elixir. I could beat him. No. Okay. The radiation is big actually. Boom boom. Giant skeleton for the 3 crown win. This deck doesn't have Hawk Rider, so that's the bad thing. Oh, this deck. Almost catching up. 600, 300. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! And this is what I will give him the present to. This deck is so good. Yeah, really. This deck is my second best, and this is my best. This Furnace deck overpowered. This deck overpowered too. Little bit lighter. This is the main push, and this is just helping Hawk Rider so that Hawk Rider will be inside the skeleton army that skeletons that which spawn. So I don't want to show. I don't care about that wizard. I guess. Boom, 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 boom. You die. That's it. And my push failed. Okay. Oh my god. I think my push did not fail. Yeah. Now my Hawk Rider is inside the skeleton army. So see this deck. This deck is crushing it. Even if he do the that's the thing. And block the skeleton. Bye bye. Oh, you're witchy too. Are you witchy too? Oh no. Oh wait. Oh wait. Wait. Alright there, baby dragon. Oh yeah, the push is so good. Baby dragon, how good I do? Oh yeah, push is so good. The push is so good. The push is so good. Ready for the barbarians? Barbarians! Oh my god, look! Okay, shoot. I thought there was a lag. You're finished! Your life is finished! 3 rounds. This thing is so OP. You saw that, right? I want to get graveyard. I really need ice wizard for my deck that I'm planning. Because I wanna use ice wizard for the goblin. So I'm gonna freeze everything, then go the Hog Rider and the Prince Push and kill everything. Then do the furnace. So yeah, like that. It's that kind of cycle. So Ice Wizard is helping the push to Hog Rider and Prince. So they're gonna be doing the charges. Then the arrow will be slower, and then the things all gonna get bigger and bigger, and everything will gonna be crashed, and rule the world. Yeah, that's what we do. Let's see what happened. See, I beat him with this kind of deck. Yeah, two legendaries. So 3-0, 3-0, 3-0. This is when I start the furnace deck. One win, 2 win, 3 win, 4 win, 5 win, 6 win, 7 win, and I defeated at the 8th battle. Oh my god, and I got 2-3 crowns in there. Let's see. Nothing. Profile 91, 62 is 3 crowns. That's just huge. Yeah, that's just huge. Total donation. My total donation is 117. This deck is OP though. And my current favorite changes to Baby Dragon, Prince, and my Hog Rider level. You have to be level 5. Why isn't level 4? This is not loading. We'll see only one TV Royal. Now, she freaking have Electro Wizard. We have to see this. He freaking have Electro Wizard. Oh my god. What's wrong with him? Pekka. Wow, Pekka. Oh, no, you should put Lava Hound at the back. She's weird. What is he planning? Okay, they're both planning a push. I think, oh yeah, tornado! Oh my god! Everything is dead now. Oh. Electro! Wing. Electro Wizard is so strong. Yeah. He's not so strong. Electro bling. The Electro Wizard is kind of weird looking, and the battle is over already. She almost got the push minions, minion horse and thing. That was too fast. Let's see one more, and it was another. Okay. So here is graveyard. Wow. Let's see what he does. I know what he's planning. And then zap that. Then do the. Oh, he's not zapping it. Then I don't know what he's doing. Boom, 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 everything. And he should use graveyard. Yeah. But wizard is counter for graveyard, so that's so bad. Yeah, he has skeleton army. That's the worst part of it. He should, yeah, baby dragon is counter to the. I he have mini P.E.K.K.A inside that skeleton army. I really knew that. And that tower will go down. Yeah. I think he'll use graveyard. No, he use this. No, poison. Poison. Oh, minion horde. I have poison and freeze spell. I think I should do only spell challenge. Okay. Poisoning. Wing, 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 wing. I think next time I will do poison challenge. I thought she freaking say F word. Boom, boom, boom. Da da. He have no friend. That's kind of weird. Oh my god, witch. A witch and mini P.E.K.K.A. That's so hard to draw. I know what that will. Prince, put Prince. Why are you not putting Prince? Okay, finally. And why did you put a Prince over there? Okay, Goblin Barrel. Oh my god, no social foul. Oh my god, no social foul. Use Goblin Barrel. Use the freaking Goblin Barrel. Oh my god, he don't know how to use Goblin Barrel. Goblin Barrel is how to. Yeah. I think that will be the end of this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out. Tomorrow will be the spell challenge or not, okay?